Hi guys, wherever you will go, the calling. So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You'll need love to light the shadows of your face. If a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all, then between the sun and soul, could you make it on your own if I could? Okay, that's our intro and first verse. Okay, intro. It starts with a C chord. So, fifth string, fourth string, third string, back to fourth string, and then third string, second string, third string, and fourth string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 beats for C, and then for G4 slash B, your bass will be the second fret. Just anchor your they call this index finger on the first fret of second string. By the way, cape on the second fret. So you anchor your index finger on the first fret of second string. So for C again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then put your middle finger on the second fret of fifth string, so 2 fingers only, and then same picking, fifth, fourth, third, second, third, fourth string. Okay, so 8 also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then transfer your middle finger on the fourth string, second fret. Same picking, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then you press your thumb on the sixth string. This will be your bass. So for F, so you got only 2 fingers. So 6, fourth, second, third, and then back to sixth string, and then second, third, and fourth string, and then put your ring finger on the third fret of sixth string, pick. Okay, so for F, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that's for our intro, and for the first line of first verse, first and second line of first verse, same picking. Okay? And then for the third line of verse 1, that's when the drums and other guitars started to play. So we have to do some picking and strumming to compensate for the other instrument. Okay, so lately, been wondering if a great wave shall, so you pick a fifth, fourth string, fifth, fourth, and third string. If a great, then some down, up, down, down. If a great wave, and then G4 slash B, same picking, fifth, fifth string, fourth, third, and then down, down, up, down, down. Okay, so that's also 8. And then A minor 7, same picking, fifth, fourth, third, and then down, down, up, down. And then for F6 slash 9, fifth, 6th string, and then 4th string, 2nd string, and then strum, down, up, down, down. Okay, I got it. I'll show you. So that's our picking and strumming for the third and the fourth line. Okay, so then between the sun and stars, could you make it on your own? If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go, maybe. And then we go to the second verse. So the strumming pattern for the chorus, which is all strumming, no picking. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay. Now we go to the second verse. Same. Second verse is the same as verse 1, but I'll play it so that we can put it on the screen. Okay, and maybe I'll find out a way to make it back someday, to guide you, to watch you through the darkness of your day. Every wave shall fall and fall upon us all. Then I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. If I could, then I would. Okay, so we repeat again the chorus, strumming. You can use the regular G. If I could, then I would. I'll go where. For F, just put your index finger and middle finger on the first fret of first and second string, and then second fret on third string, third fret on fourth string, open fifth string. That's okay, open. So if I could, I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. Go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart, run away with my home, run away with my love. So after the chorus, it's the bridge. So run away with my heart, same strumming. Okay, as like the chorus, down, up, down, except for the last part, which is run away with my love. Okay, and then okay, so down, up, down, up, down, 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 and then we go to the third verse. Now let's go to the third verse. I know now just quite how my life and love must still go on in your heart, in your mind. I'll stay with you for all of time. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. Go wherever you will go. Okay, now let's go to our last part. So after the third verse, we repeat the chorus, and then now the second chorus. I could, and I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. If I could turn back time, I'll go wherever you will go. If I make you mine, I'll go wherever you will go. I'll go wherever you will go. Well, I guess that is, guys. So just remember the picking pattern and the strumming pattern. You can do it. So the last part is I'll go wherever I'll go wherever you will go. F, we make a regular, right? Okay, so down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so that's it, guys. Our next lesson will be, okay, let me show you first your tab. Okay. And also the top for Superman. I forgot to display it the last time. Okay, this is the top for the Superman. It's on the side. Get it? I inverted. So that's it. Okay. And the lyrics and chords. Okay, so our next lesson probably All of Me by John Legend. Okay, so just always click the closed captions for subtitles so that you can clearly understand. And then so those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. There's a lot more to come. There's a lot songs. Okay, so you can make a request, like, share, comments, okay, and don't forget your to click the notification bell. Okay, have a good day, guys.